and she's standing. Yeah, even if I do this thing, like going for the business. It was because I have never really been part of a contest.
Sorry, I'm popping in to say hi to you, okay?
Nice.
Good to see you, buddy.
Well, yeah, if I have a
चिल्लाएंगे नहीं पर हाँ?
want to take part,
कभी चल रहा है अच्छा नहीं लगता
whatever she wants. Only 2 questions, huh? Only 2 questions. Only 2 questions. It's just high energy, lots of fun, music, but there's so much happening. So right now we talking about it, and we have a little more time than that, but I'm really looking forward to everything that's next. Thank you so much for your time. Wish all the girls
I would come.
कोई एक ही करेगी, समीरा करेगी या ज़ूम करेगी?
Now this phone I can't stand it.
मैम यहाँ पे साइकिल यहाँ पे दोनों भी सेंटर में दोनों
Asking her.
सेंटर
All the best.
Good luck for your performance. चलो चलो अभी अंदर चले. What am I expecting tonight? I'm expecting a lot of really beautiful, charming, confident women, and I'm looking forward to a great evening. And it's kind of special because there was a point in my life when I just came to Mumbai when I was thinking of going for Miss Diva, Miss India pageants myself, and then Bollywood happened and I got a film, but that was always like something that I wished to go and participate in, and it's just really nice to be judging the same event, so it kind of is very special, but I'm really looking forward to a great evening. Of course. Of course, I think it's very tough to be on that stage, honestly, and to want to represent your country is something that we all wish for. बहुत grooming चाहिए होती है. वो stage पर उन heels में, उन कपड़ों में walk करना is not easy. Questions, pressure moment में answer करना is not easy. So I do know that it's a big moment for all of them right now, and I just wish them all the luck, and I wish that all of them are their very best on this day, because that's very important. एक quality तो नहीं, बहुत सारी होनी चाहिए. But I think personality overall is something that always stands out, you know. An overall personality, how you carry yourself, how you talk, your thinking, your ability to come up with the correct words at the correct time. I think all of that kind of, and at the end of it, yeah, being Indian and what you feel about that also does matter. मेरी तरफ से question, I don't think so. I think it's more about the topics which they're going to be talking about. So it's not really the same way that it used to be. थोड़ा pattern change हुआ है, but I'm looking forward to hearing the answers, because that's something I'll be doing for the first time.
ढेर सारी फिल्में आपकी आने वाली हैं बैक टू बैक में, बताइए कौन सी फिल्म के लिए आप एक्साइटेड हैं? महाराष्ट्र में
मेरी तो सारी फिल्म्स के लिए मैं एक्साइटेड होंगी ही, एंड ऑफ कोर्स सबसे पहले हम दो हमारे दो आएगी, एंड बच्चन पांडे की डेट अनाउंस हो गई है. बाकी मिमी तो आ चुकी है. गणपत की शूटिंग अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुई है. भेड़िया की शूटिंग ख़त्म हो चुकी है. सो जो शूटिंग ख़त्म हो चुकी है वो हम दो हमारे दो बच्चन पांडे और भेड़िया हैं. आदिपुरुष की शूटिंग चल रही है अभी, काफ़ी जल्द ख़त्म हो जाएगी. but that's a big one. Massive shooting is going on and it's very exciting. And I'm also looking forward to starting Ganpat very soon. I think कुछ ऐसी फिल्में होती है जो आप जब फिल्म कर रहे होते हैं ना, शूट कर रहे होते हैं, तो आपको फीलिंग एक आ जाती है कि अच्छी फिल्म बन रही है. It's gonna be loved. That much I knew, but yeah, the kind of love that poured in was something else. Thank you so much. Yeah, that was very overwhelming. But thank you. Actually, Mimi, the way it's been really loved and the kind of messages I've gotten is, I don't think मुझे कभी पहले ऐसे messages आए हैं. तो it's still pouring in, which is great. But thank you guys. Thank you.
There's a visual face.
Thanks.